What's up, automation engineers? So in this video, we're going to configure Xpath support in Cypress. I believe folks who are coming from Selenium are going to like Cypress Xpath support. So this is going to be really easy. First, we need to install this Xpath um, library package or whatever. Let's install that. Yarn add Cypress Xpath. And once that is installed, you can go to support index.js. If there is no file called index, you can create one. And I'm going to import Cypress Xpath like this. So that's it. Now to prove the point, I already have created this script where I'm using Xpath method. Notice I'm not using get this time. I'm using Xpath method, and I'm passing this Xpath to capture the element. And I'm typing iPhone on it. Now let's run it. Cypress open. What the hell am I typing? All right, now let's run it. And there you go. We got the Xpath support in Cypress. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.